Hi, I'm Dino, the family dog. I help keep people safe, especially on the roads. Take a look at my diary to see what I did last week. Some children really don't think. Our neighbor's boy ran in front of a car to get his ball. The car almost hit him. I saved him though. Remember, always look and listen. Walking on the street at night can be very dangerous, especially if you wear dark clothes. Car drivers can't see you very well, just like these two I had to take home. Luckily, I never go out without my reflective jacket and collar. Remember, be seen. People can get very angry when driving, usually for silly reasons. One driver started shouting at Mum today when she stopped to let some children cross the road. I soon made him stop. One thing makes me really mad. People walking on a dangerous road when they can walk on the safe pavement. I saw two girls doing that today, but I soon made them change their minds. Seatbelts can save your life. I make sure everyone in our car wears their seatbelt. If they forget, I soon remind them. Even I've got one. I like Fridays. The roads are quieter, but you still have to be careful. I caught Dad talking on his mobile phone while driving. I soon stopped him though. Don't worry, he got his phone back. Today, Mum took me for a walk. One car was parked in a very dangerous place. It was right on the corner of the street. Don't worry though, I left him a message